Hello, today we will guide you through how to join a meeting full screen on Zoom for Windows. To begin, open the Zoom app on your Windows computer. Make sure the application is fully launched and ready on your screen before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to load, just wait until the main home screen appears. Starting from the home screen helps ensure you can clearly see the available meeting options and follow along without confusion. Once Zoom is open, click on Join Meeting. This option is typically easy to spot on the main Zoom window. Selecting Join Meeting is the step that takes you toward entering a meeting without needing to start one yourself. After clicking it, Zoom will guide you into the joining process so you can connect to the session you want to attend. After you've joined the meeting, the next part is making the meeting display full screen. One way to do this is by clicking the Maximize button at the top right corner of the Zoom window. This is the button located between the Minimize button and the Close button. Clicking Maximize expands the Zoom window so it fills your screen area more completely, which can make the meeting easier to watch and help reduce distractions from other open apps or windows in the background. There is also another quick way to switch to full screen in Zoom. You can double-click anywhere inside the Zoom meeting window. This is a convenient shortcut and can be especially helpful if you want to adjust the view quickly while the meeting is already in progress. If the window does not respond right away, try double-clicking again carefully within the meeting area. Using full screen mode is useful when you want a larger view of shared presentations, speaker video, or gallery view. It can also make the experience feel more focused, especially during training sessions, webinars, or important meetings. If you ever need to return to the previous window size, you can usually use the same action again, depending on how Zoom is currently displayed. That's all there is to it. Open Zoom, join the meeting, and then make the window full screen using either the Maximize button or by double-clicking inside the meeting window. With these simple actions, you can make your Zoom meeting easier to view and more comfortable to follow on Windows.